Welcome back to Local Memphis Live. Ladies, local fashion beauty blogger Kim Thomas is here to show us some of the must-haves for the fall season.
She's going to share something about her blog too. KP Fusion, welcome aboard.
We're excited to have you here. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I run a blog, KP Fusion, which is a fashion and lifestyle blog. I talk about fashion, beauty, product reviews, and I have a little Memphis flavor thrown in. So like I'll go around to different events, different restaurants, things like that, so that I can show people all the cool stuff that's happening around the city.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it is.
Love it.
And speaking of fall fashion, you brought in a couple of items that we must have. So tell us a little bit about some of the must have stuff.
Okay, so with all of the accessories, one of the hardest thing it is for people to do is to update their wardrobe for fall.
Yeah.
Not a lot of people have the funds to go out and just redo everything. So there are little ways that you can update it so that you can elevate your style without breaking the bank. So first I brought in this plaid scarf from Banana Republic. Plaid is always huge for fall.
Wow,
and
cool.
I like this one because this is a little bit more traditional fall instead of the
cover up your mic.
the red and blue one. And with it being a little bit bigger, you can tie it different ways. Like you can wrap it around. You can actually pin it with some little clips to kind of make it into a vest. You can do a lot of things with it, and it's an easy way, like on the weekends, white tee, distressed denim, throw that on, some earrings, a little bit of lipstick, you're good to go.
I love it. I love the color, very fall looking. What about shoes?
With the shoes, always need flats. I work in retail, and I stand on a hardwood floor all day. I can wear heels sometimes, but it can kill your feet. So I always invest in flats, and two of my favorites is always a nude, and everybody needs a pair of nudes.
Always a nude. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
You can explain that to me later.
Ron's not thinking about the color here, but yeah, you're right. I have on nude shoes today, right?
They go with everything.
They do. Nude is really
I call them beige.
Oh, okay. Beige. Okay.
Those look great though. Look at those things.
I like these, and what makes them so different is the little spiky detail, so it gives you a little bit of edge without going off the top. And I actually got these from local boutique Crazy Beautiful.
Okay.
And then I also have leopard flats. These go with everything. They'll be good for this weekend.
Put on a black dress, boom, you're out the door, right?
Or a red dress.
Black dress, red dress, cobalt blue, red. It goes with so many things. And then if you want to just do the minimalist vibe with black, white top, put those on, a little bit of jewelry.
And where did they get those?
I actually got these from Target.
Oh,
really?
wow.
I love Target. They have some of my favorite shoes, and they're relatively inexpensive. These were only 23 bucks.
Good
Without breaking the bank. Let's move towards beauty products. The lipsticks that are in for this fall.
For fall, you can still go a little over the top and go with your deeper reds, like this Cha-Cha Red from New Skin. They're a new line that's available online only. I think they are trying to go into stores later on down the line, but right now it's just online. But you always want to get a lipstick that's super hydrating, super pigmented, and it's an easy way to add a little color to your face, because a lot of people don't like to wear foundation, or they don't want to, even if you don't want to do blush, but if you do put on a little bit of mascara, keep your brows groomed, and then throw on a really pretty color, it just keeps you looking polished.
I love the different shades that you brought in, from the dark red, and then you moved kind of towards a lighter red to the light pink. And jewelry?
Jewelry, everybody needs statement jewelry. Again, this goes back to white tee, denim, statement jewelry, whether it's a necklace, whether it's some earrings. It's just a simple way to elevate your look. The necklace that I got, I actually found it at Target, because it's one of my favorite places to shop as well. And then the earrings, I actually got them from an online boutique called Happiness Boutique. And they're all, again, relatively inexpensive. The secret with that type of jewelry, with statement jewelry, is to look for something that has a kind of vintage feel to it. Because when you try to get something that looks like super expensive and shiny, it just looks fake. But if you go for the vintage feel, just like, how much did you pay for that? And
can I just say this? This girl knows what she's talking about. It's just flowing out of you.
It is. She's on top of it. Now, what about this clothing item you brought right here?
Oh, yes. So everybody needs a coat. Camel is something that's always needed. It's a must-have essential. But to change it up a little bit, you want to go with a cocoon shape, and then also maybe throw in a little fringe. Fringe is really big this season as well. They're doing a throwback to the 70s, but doing it this way, it kind of eases you into the trend without being over the top, because you don't want to look like you're trying to be an extra in a Western. You just want to know that. So you just want to show show people that you're up on the trends and you know what's going on.
I call that nude camel.
Nude camel, all right.
This is nude camel, and this is actually from local boutique Crazy Beautiful as
well.
That's
good looking.
It is. And how can people get some of your fall fashion tips?
If you visit my blog, www.kpfusion.com.
All right, we love it.
KP Fusion.
Yes, thank you so much for stopping by. We appreciate it.
Thank you guys so much for having me.
And of course, for the 3rd year, Local Cares is proud to honor our former chief meteorologist, Mark Walden, who died from sickle cell back in 2013. Now, you can join us Saturday, October the 17th, for the Mark Walden Memorial Sickle Cell 5K at AutoZone Park. And of course, registration is at 7:30 that morning, and the race starts at 8:30. And you can come out and you can help raise awareness for this disease while we remember our good friend and our colleague, Mark Walden. Well, John Will Lifestyle Companions is known to